So I did a little Aldi haul. I did an Aldi haul today. I went to Aldi's and got a few things for the garden, and I want to share them with you in case there might be something that you might need for your garden. We got this metal garden obelisk, and this thing is so freaking cute. It was only $9.99. You can get two of them and, you know, put one on one end of the garden, one on the other end, and grow a climbing plant up this. You can grow flowers, you can grow even vegetables on an obelisk. So you're not limited with it. You can use it year after year. I don't know how long it'll last, but definitely you can get a lot of use out of it the first year. The next thing that I got was this super cute rain chain. This one is supposed to be a mushroom, but they have all different types of rain chains. So there's some that were like blue and colorful, and then, you know, a couple of other kind of coppery colored ones too. So definitely check them out. This was also $9.99. They also had gardening gloves, and this is, you get a 2-pack for, how much was that? Give me a second. $2.99. $2.99 for 2 pairs of gardening gloves. So definitely check them out for these. They also had pruners, which I didn't need, but they look heavy duty. They were $5.99. And then they had these barrel style looking planters. They probably were 20 inches or a little bit bigger. No drain holes. That would be perfect for a fountain, for a little pond. You can put that on your patio, on your deck, out in your landscape. Get you one of those super cheap solar fountains from like Amazon, or if you can find them locally, and just get water in there. You could put some gravel or some soil, add some like water plants, and then add your fountain, and that can be super pretty over the summer and fall, spring, summer, and fall, matter of fact. So that's definitely an option. They also had their garden potting benches in the stores, and they were $39 each. Oh, and the barrel planter was $9.99 as well. So $10 for that if you want to do like a little pond. And then if you want the potting bench, which I got this potting bench last year. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. So it's got a lot of junk on it right now, but I used this last year, loved it. My only suggestion would be to put a sealer on the wood, especially if you're going to keep it outside in the elements. You definitely want to seal up that wood, because that any moisture is going to get in there, and the wood's going to expand, and that's going to make it not last for you year after year. So definitely seal it if you're going to be keeping it outdoors anywhere. But yeah, 39 bucks. This is what it looks like. So that's all that I got from Aldi and all that I want to share from Aldi. But a side quest, if you're interested, check out your Petco stores, because my store, they sell like farm feeds, so like chicken feed, horse feed, and they have like some of the like chicken feeders, water, you know, chicken waterers, horse snacks, like, you know, they sell that kind of stuff. Well, my store is eliminating that portion of, you know, that stuff that they sell. They're no longer going to sell it anymore. So everything is marked down on clearance. I got so much bird food for the low. So like, we're talking like these things. We're talking bags of wild bird feed right here. So like this. So if you like to feed the birds, or you've got chickens or whatever, grab that stuff. It's been marked down so low. I'm getting like $2 a bag, $3 a bag for things, $1 for stuff. So just definitely check them out. They might have something for you. If your store has that, you know, farm portion to it, check them out. They might be eliminating that stock as well. All right, guys, happy gardening.